Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Kind of cold out today. It snowed last night, but today my buyer is looking at 4 different houses. I'm going to be doing virtual tours, and let's see which one he likes best. This is 536 East Meadow, so come check this one out. Okay, starting from the street, you have Paradise right down here, Shore down here, probably about 5 minutes to the grocery stores, few minutes longer to the ski slopes. This is 536 East Meadow. I'm just gonna walk over here really quick and check out the roof. Looks pretty decent for a gambrel, not buckling or anything at this point. So 2,500 square foot lot. Good amount of parking up front, probably 2, maybe 3 cars. And a little covered porch area. And it is fenced in the back. So here we are in the living room. I really like how they have the fireplace laid out. It's a little bit different than normal up here, but we'll get to that in just a second. So pretty spacious. I think if you took some of those drapes down, you'd get more natural light in here. Probably don't need blinds on that window over there. But there's really just that one wall light in this room. So we've got a nice pantry underneath the stairs. Going into the kitchen, like a brick vinyl flooring. The windows are dual single pane windows, so 2 different single pane windows. A lot of people just take that winter window down. So kitchen, all in good shape. Newer-ish appliances. And then we'll go out back really quick. Ooh. So you got a shed. These fences are probably a little too high. County could say something about it, but they're just panels. They're not really an actual fence. Outside. And got any dogs or anything? There is, and you got the water heater in there, but don't have access. But if you have any dogs, it is fenced, so that is nice. This looks like a hole in the wall. I'm not really sure what happened there. So love this fireplace. This thing's gonna cook the house. Again, dual single pane windows on the front as well. That looks like an actual dual pane window. Good firewood storage here as well. And it's gonna be a gas wall heater. Bathroom, kind of like an older vinyl floor. Tub, kind of like no, it's plastic. And that does not look to be operational. The button is missing. And then we will go upstairs. It's kind of an older carpet. Kind of seems like it's in decent shape. You could get away with it for a little while. So this first bedroom kind of opens when you come up the stairs. It just opens into this bedroom. You could easily put a door up and a wall right here if you wanted to, if you wanted more privacy. And then we have what would be the master. So we got a separate wall heater up here. And there you go. This one on the market for a while for $289.